Hi, welcome to our channel Therapy Zone. Today we will be discussing about types of headache. As we know, headache are of two types, primary and secondary. Primary headache is further classified as tension type, cluster type and migraine headache. Tension type headache is a chronic disorder that begins after the age of 20. It is experienced by majority of population. Women are more commonly affected than men. The pain arises gradually in the middle of the day. A person may feel as if there is a tight band around his head. There is a dull bilateral mild to moderate intensity pain that may be categorized as infrequent, frequent, and chronic. Tension type headache may be episodic and chronic. Episodic attack lasts for a few hours, though they last for several days. In chronic, attack occurs on 15 or more days per month for at least 3 months. Pathogenesis of tension type headache. Derivative pain of tension type headache has a muscular origin. Research suggests that nitric oxide may be a local mediator of tension type headache. Therefore, blocking nitric oxide production with an investigative agent reduces both muscle hardness and pain associated with tension type headache. Migraine. Migraine is the second most common form of primary headache. Migraine pain is an intense pain pulsing from deep within your head. A migraine can last from a few hours to 2 to 3 days. Frequency of episodes may vary greatly. They may occur once a week to once a year. Women are 3 times more likely to develop migraine than men. Migraine is generally one-sided. People with migraine headache are often sensitive to light and sound. Some patients will experience an aura, usually visual, without an accompanying headache. Aura moves slowly across brain surface. People with visual aura might experience zigzag pattern and central vision. Certain environmental factors such as sleep disruption, dehydration, skipped meals, hormone fluctuation are common migraine triggers. Pathogenesis. Electrical impulses changing in the blood flow may result in symptoms such as visual disturbances. Chemicals in the brain causes blood vessel dilatation and inflammation of surrounding tissue. Inflammation spread across nerves supplied by the trigeminal nerve causing pain. Cluster headache may arise frequently 4 to 12 weeks and then disappear. They tend to happen at around same time each day. These headaches usually last between 15 to 3 hours and may occur 1 to 8 times per day. These are more common in spring and fall. Cluster headache may involve brief but severe pain, pain around one eye, small pupil in one eye. These headaches occur 5 times more often in men than women. Anyone can get cluster headache. The typical patient is a middle-aged man with a history of smoking. Pathogenesis. In a cluster headache, the pain is likely mediated by activation of trigeminal nerve pathways. The autonomic symptoms are due to parasympathetic outflow and sympathetic dysfunction. The cycling mechanism that is likely related to hypothalamic dysfunction. Secondary headache. Thunderclap headache are sudden, severe headache that people often describe as worst headache. It comes suddenly of nowhere and peaks quickly. The cause could be head injury, blood vessel rupture, hemorrhage, stroke. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.